What's the best ad strat? Ad strat, $5 a day when you have a minimum 5 listings live. Typically you want a minimum of 0.5 per listing. So $1 per 2 listings. So if you have 10 listings live, you want $5 minimum. You don't want to go to like $3, it's too low. You also want to do, so $3 minimum in spend before you look at a product. When you look at it, 1% CTR or less, that's when you turn it off. And then $12 to $15, no sale, that's when you turn it off. Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.